ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। अथ पञ्चमः पाठः। जननी तुल्यवत्सला। प्रस्तुतोऽयं पाठः महर्षि वेदव्यासविरचितस्य ऐतिहासिकग्रन्थस्य महाभारतान्तर्गतस्य वनपर्व इत्यतः गृहीतः। This lesson, the fifth one, named Janani Tulyavatsala. A mother is Tulyavatsala. She has equal love towards all of her children. Tulya, similar or equivalent. Vatsa, the son or her offspring. Vatsala means she is compassionate towards all of them. Maharshi Vedavyasa Virachitasya, written by, penned down by Maharshi Vedavyasa, the Veda compiler Vedavyasa, Aitihasika Granthasya, Aitihasika Grantha, that which forms a part of history is called Aitihasika. Aitihasika Granthasya, Itihasasya idam Aitihasikam. Mahabharata Antargatasya, that which is embedded in the Mahabharata, the longest epic known in the world. Vanaparva, the chapter called Vanaparva, from that it is taken. Iyang katha sarveshu pranishu samadrishti bhavanam prabodhayati. Iyang katha, this Esha katha tu, this story, sarveshu pranishu, in every animal, pranishu, samadrishti bhavanam prabodhayati. Sama, equal, drishti, seeing, or perspective, bhavanam, that emotion of having an equal vision, the same vision in the same perspective in every person, seeing everybody, seeing everything with the in a higher same vision, that is called samadrishti bhavana, same sama. Prabodhayati, it teaches us अस्याः अभीप्सितः अर्थः अस्ति यत्, the intended meaning, abhipsita means intended, abhi is the upasarga there, ipsitaha means that which is wanted to, that which is suggested, or that meaning which is to be desirable by, which is desired by the whoever the writer is, author. Asti yat, that समाजे विद्यमानान् दुर्बलान् प्राणिनः प्रति अपि, समाजे विद्यमानान् दुर्बलान् प्राणिनः प्रति is the upasarga. I mean, yeah, it is an upasarga, but here it is used as an avyaya, where prati should always go with dvitiya vibhakti. Therefore, vidyamanan durbalan praninah. Here praninah is also in dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachana. If you see the gunin shabda, dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachana will be guninah. Similarly, praninah, pranin, praninau, praninah, praninam, praninau, praninah. Samaje, in the society, vidyamanan durbalan praninah, the helpless animals, durbalan praninah prati api matuhu vatsalyam prakarshena eva bhavati. The mother of each species, of every animal, will have the same love and affection towards them. So every mother in any species will be loving and compassionate towards her sons and daughters. Prakarshena, it will be fantastic. It will be unbound. Kaschit krishakah बलिवर्दाभ्याम क्षेत्रकर्षणं कुर्वन् आसीत्. कश्चित् कृषिकः, some farmer, बलिवर्दाभ्याम, with the help of two bulls, balivarda. Bali is what is that? Bali is powerful. Varda means that which is going to plow the field. Balivardaabhyam, so that which pulls the plow, helps in tilling the land, is Balivardabhyam, which is actually oxen, or it is the oxen, the pair of oxen. Balivardabhyam in Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, Dvivachana. क्षेत्रकर्षणं कुर्वन् आसीत्. क्षेत्रकर्षणं, he was plowing the field. कुर्वन् आसीत्, he was still doing it in continuous. तयोः बलिवर्दयोः एकः शरीरेण दुर्बलः जवेन गन्तुम् अशक्तः च आसीत्. तयोः of the two, तयोः बलिवर्दयोः of these two oxen, एकः, the one of them was शरीरेण दुर्बलः, he was weak in his physique, and in his he didn't have a lot of stamina. Javena gantum, to move quickly. Gantum, to move. Javena, quickly. Javena, Java means fast. अशक्तः च आसीत्, he was incapable of doing that. अतः कृषकः तं दुर्बलं वृषभं तोदनेन नुद्यमानः अवर्तत. Therefore, अतः कृषकः the farmer तं दुर्बलं वृषभं, that weak ox, what did he do? He would todanena. Todati means to push, give him a nudge. Nudyah, again to give a nudge. Nudyamanah, to push him, to trouble him, to probably also to beat him. Nudyamanah asit, with or whip him. Nudyamanah is the Shatranta form. Shanachanta, Kshamata. Shanachanta, Ana. Wherever Ana comes, that is Shanach. Nudyate iti tasya Shanachanta rupam Nudyamanah. Avartata, he was doing so. Avartata means asit. Saha Rishabhaha halam udhva gantum ashaktaha kshetre papata. Saha Vrishabhaha. Now Vrishabha and Rishabha are same. With the V or without the V. The Vakara both mean the same thing. It means the Balivarda. Halam udhva, carrying the plow. Halam udhva gantum ashaktah, he couldn't carry it any further. Kshetre papata, he fell onto the ground. Kruddhah krishivalah tamutthapayitum bahuvaram yatnam akarot. Kruddhah, now the angered farmer Krishivala, now I think in Hindi the val, gharwal, all of that, the val pratyaya might have come from this Samskrita's vala pratyaya. Tamutthapayitum, to put him back on his feet. Utthapayitum, to raise him. Bahuvaram yatnam akarot, he tried many times. Yatnam is make an effort. Bahuvaram, many times. Tathapi vrishah na utthitah, still tathapi vrishah na utthitah, the ox could not get up. Bhumau patite swaputran drishtva सर्वधेनूनां मातुः सुरभेः नेत्राभ्याम अश्रूणि आविरासन. Bhumau patite, now seeing this oxen fall to his knees, Swaputram, who was the son, her own son, whose son? Sarvadhenunam matuhu surabhehe, the Sarvadhenunam, the mother, matuhu of every cow or the bovine species is called Surabhi. Probably it could signify the ancestral, the first in the evolutionary scale, the first bovine animal to come in the mammals. Probably that species or that order or that genus could be represented by the pioneer species could be represented as Surabhi. Surabhi, she is called the mother of all cows and oxen. Surabhehe netrabhyam, from her eyes, two eyes, ashruni avihi asan. Ashruni is tears. Ashru shabda, napumsakalinge. Ashruni in bahuvachana. Avihi asan, they emerged. Avihi means to emerge, to become seen. She had that pain in her heart, but now it was apparent. It was visible. It became visible. Surabhehe imam avastham drishtva. Surabhehe imam avastham drishtva. Seeing Surabhi's such a plight, drishtva suradhipah tam aprichat, the suranam adhipah, the king, the lord of all gods. Who is that? Our Lord Indra. Tam aprichat, he asked her, ayi shubhe kimevam rodishi uchyatam iti. O holy mother, kimevam rodishi, why are you crying? What is your reason? Uchyatam, let it be spoken. Iti. Sacha, she spoke thus, Vinipato navah kaschid drishyate tridashadhipa ahantu putram shochami tena rodimi kaushika. Vinipato navah kaschit drishyate tridashadhipa. Tridashadhipa, hey tridashadhipa. Tridasha is heaven because it consists of three loka, the three avastha, the three dasha means the three avasthas of probably bhur bhuvas suvaha, the three realms of heaven. So he is said to be tridashadhipa, and tridasha also it means swarga itself. So tridasha adhipa, O Lord of the heaven, वह युष्माकं कश्चित् विनिपातः न दृश्यते. You will never face in your life vinipata. You will never feel depressed. You will never be put down by others because you are the Tridashadhipa. You are the Lord of the heavens itself. So who can put you down? For you there is no fall. But for me, aham tu, but aham putram shochami. But I have my sons and my daughters on earth. Therefore, if anything must happen to them, then it would sadden me. Tena rodimi Kaushika. Therefore, I cry, hey Kaushika. Kaushika is the name of Indra itself. Bho Vasava putrasya dainyam drishtva aham rodimi. Bho Vasava. Vasava again means is an epithet of Indra. It means the leader of the Vasu. There are Ashta Vasu, right? The leader of them is Indra. Bho Vasava, O respect, honorable Indra, putrasya dainyam drishtva aham rodimi. I cry after seeing the plight of my son here. Saha deenah iti janan api krishakah tam bahudha pidayati. Saha deenah iti janan. Now that ox is very weak. It is helpless. It is poor. It does not have that capability. Knowing that yet, janan api. Janan is again shatranta form. Janati. Tasya shatranta rupam pullinge janan. And api. There gamudagama sandhi. Janan api krishakah tam bahudha pidayati. He troubles him a lot in many ways. Bahudha. In many ways, many innovative ways, in fact. Saha krichrena bharam udvahati. Saha putraha, that ox, that poor ox, what does it do? Krichrena, with a lot of difficulty, a lot of exhaustion, and he toils in the field. Bharam udvahati, he carries so much of his load on his back. Udvahati is to carry up. Itaramaiva dhuram vodhum sahana shaknoti. Itaram iva, like his other brother there beside him. Itaram iva dhuram vodhum, to carry the load. Dhura means load. Dhur means load. Dhuram vodhum, to carry it. Sahana shaknoti, he cannot do that. Just because his companion can lift it doesn't mean he can lift it. Etat bhavan pashyati na. Don't you see it? Etat, don't you see such a plightable condition, such a desperation of the ox there? Iti pratyavochat. She replied. Prati avochat. She replied. Avochat is in the lung lakara. The aorist past. Bhadre. Noonam. Of course, Bhadre, O auspicious mother, of course, I do see it. Sahasradhikeshu putreshu satsvapi tava asminneva etadrisham vatsalyam katham. Sahasradhikeshu putreshu satsu. When you have more than 1,000 offsprings, because you are the mother of all cows and oxen, you are the mother of the bovine species, being thus, you will logically have a lot of sons and daughters. Sahasradhikeshu putreshu. Now this is Satisaptami Prayoga. Satsu, when yada sahasradhikaha putraha bhavatyaha santi tava santi, when you are in such a condition, when you have so many children, तव अस्मिन्नेव एतादृशं वात्सल्यं कथं? Why do you take a lot of pity in only one such example, in one such ox? Why do you take so much? Why do you have that bias towards only this ox? Is what he asked. Katham, how is it possible? Iti Indrena Prishta Surabhihi Pratyavochat. Now, being asked by Indra thus, Surabhihi Pratyavochat. Surabhi replied. What did she reply? Yadi putra sahasram me sarvatra samameva me deenasya tu satashakra पुत्रस्य पुत्रस्याभ्यधिका कृपा. यदि पुत्रसहस्रं मे, यदि पुत्रसहस्रं मे मम, यदि पुत्रसहस्रं पुत्राणां सहस्रं, even if there are 1,000 of my children, मे सर्वत्र सममेव मे, सर्वत्र, in every one of them it is the same. What is the same? Vatsalyam, samam eva. I have equal love towards all of them. Me is again mama. Deenasya tu satashakra. Deenasya sataha. For a person who is that is sataha. Deenasya, who is very poor and impoverished. Shakra, O Indra, he is also called Shakra because he is very capable. So the most capable one is called Shakra. Now here Indra is again Shakra. पुत्रस्य अभ्यधिका कृपा. दीनस्य पुत्रस्य सतः कृपा अभ्यधिका भवति. किंतु तु शक्र, हे शक्र, शृणु, listen to me. Although I have equal compassion towards all of them and I love them all equally, but of a person, of one of my, if one of my child has been distraught, has been wronged, in him I have more compassion, kripa, I sympathize more with him. My affection and pity flows a lot towards that one child. Putrasya abhyadhika kripa, abhyadhika. It grows a lot. It grows exponentially towards that offspring which is troubled. Bahunyapathyani me santi iti satyam. Yes, it is true that iti satyam. It is true that bahuni apatyani me. It is true that I have a lot of offspring. Apatya means offspring in Napumsakalinga. Tadhapi aham etasmin putre vishishya atmavedanam anubhavami. Tadhapi yet aham etasmin, I empathize a lot with this one child. Atma Vedanam, that is this sympathy, not sympathy, sorry, empathy. She feels herself in his place. Atma Vedanam Anubhavami, I experience it. Yatohi, because I am Anyebhyo Durbalaha. This child is Durbalaha Anyebhyaha. Compared to the others, he is weaker. Sarveshu apatyeshu janani tulyavatsala eva. She has the same compassion towards every one of her offsprings, yet tathapi durbale sute matuhu abhyadika kripa sahaja eva. In that one troubled offspring, in that one troubled child, it is common. There is no wonder in having a little more compassion towards that child because it is troubled. इति सुरभिवचनं श्रुत्वा भृशं विस्मितस्य अखण्डलस्यापि हृदयम् अद्रवत्. Surabhi Shrutva, hearing the words of Surabhi, Bhrisham Vismitasya, he became a lot he became supremely vismita. He was wonderstruck. Akhandalasya api, and this Indra who was Akhandala, who could not be chopped down, he could not be severed, whose head can't be severed, who can't be defeated in war, and one who is the Lord of the heavens, and being a king, he should have a strong heart. But even of that Indra, who is Akhandalasya api hridayam adravat, his heart melted. That's the literal meaning there. Hridayam adravat, he was moved. सच ताम एव तामेवम् असान्त्वयत्, सच सः इन्द्रः च ताम एवं, ताम इत्युक्ते सुरभिं एवं असान्त्वयत्, he consoled her. How did he console? गच्छ वत्से सर्वं भद्रं जायेत, go my child. Now here Indra has become is now calling the Surabhi as Vatse, daughter, oh daughter, carry on, move forward. Sarvam bhadran jayeta, let everything become auspicious to you. May the auspicious only happen. Because now Indra obviously is in a superior position to Surabhi. Therefore, now he changes the Sambodhana to Vatse. Achiradeva Chandavatena Megharavaihi cha Saha Pravarshah Samajayata. Achirat eva, immediately, instantly, suddenly, Chandavatena, by fierceful howling winds, Chandavatena, Megharavaihi cha, by the gurgling sounds of the clouds, Megharavaihi cha, Saha, with them, Saha again used with Tritiya vibhakti. So, Vatena Tritiya, Ravaihi Tritiya. Pravarshah Samajayata, monsoon, the pre-monsoon began. Pravarshah Samajayata, torrential rains began pouring. Lokanam Pashyatam eva Sarvatra Jaloplavaha Sanjatah. Lokanam Pashyatam eva. The Lokanam, here Loka doesn't mean the world, it means people or any organism. Lokanam Pashyatam eva, even when as they are seeing, Pashyatam, Pashyat Shabdah, in the Shatranta form, Pashyat, Shashthi Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, Pashyatam. Pashyatam Lokanam eva, as the people were seeing, or as the organisms were seeing, even as they saw, eva sarvatra jala upaplavaha sanjataha, jalasya upaplavaha, everything started flooding. Jalasya upaplavaha, or the drought stricken lands became sucking in water. Krishakaha harsha atirekena karshana vimukhah san Vrishabhau Nitva Grihamagat. Krishaka, now the farmer is happy that there is no more drought. He seems to be blessed by Indra, because Indra is the Maghavan. He is the controller of the clouds and rains. Therefore, assuming that he was blessed, Krishakaha Harsha Atirekena, he becomes extremely happy. Harsha, joyous. Atirekena, with as if joy was overflowing from him. Atirekena, by that, Karshana Vimukhaha, because of his extreme joy, Karshana Vimukhaha, he turned his face away from Karshana, that is plowing for that day, sun, being so. Vrishabhau Nitva Grihamagat, he took the 2 oxen back to his house. Agat is Agamat, Agachat. He went away. Apatyeshu cha sarveshu janani tulyavatsala putre dine tu sa mata kripardra hridaya bhavet. Apatyeshu cha sarveshu janani tulyavatsala. Sarveshu apatyeshu api janani tulyavatsala bhavati. A mother has equal compassion towards all her offsprings. Putre dine tu. But if one of her child is troubled and distressed, Sa Mata, कृपार्द्रहृदया भवेत्. सा कृपा, compassion. कृपया आर्द्रहृदया. Her heart is wet with compassion. Her heart is soaked with kindness. So because, and she becomes that bhavet, she should become, or she generally becomes. So this is natural for a mother. Harihi Om Swasti.